Well, it seems to me that you guys are liking my Bluetooth speaker comparison videos. So here is another one for you all. What's up guys, the Race here, welcoming you back into another video. And in today's video, we are having a comparison between two Bluetooth speakers. Over on my right hand side, I have got an all brand new, newly released JBL Charge 5. And on the left side, one of the famous and a competitive price Tronsmart Mega Pro 60 watt. Why did I say 60 watt? Guys, same model is available in a 40 watt and a 60 watt was a bargain, so I got this one right in here with me. Now obviously this video is a comparison video, so it's not only the sound quality we are comparing here, it's again the build quality as well as the price you pay for the speaker. Starting with the JBL Charge 5, which you can purchase at about £160. That's a hefty price. And the speaker comes with a 40 watt of maximum output with a frequency response of 65 to 20 kilohertz. It's a mono Bluetooth speaker with a 10 watt of tweeter and a 30 watt of subwoofer. Over on the speaker, you have two passive radiators side to side. There isn't any support available for auxiliary port at all. So say bye-bye to all auxiliary port non-Bluetooth supporting devices to connect with this speaker. Charge 5 supports party boost option. So you can have 100 plus JBL party boost speakers and connect them together and enjoy the true wireless stereo sound. Now with this Charge 5, you get a playtime of 20 hours with the support of a power bank, which means that you can charge up your mobile phone devices on the go if you want to. Now on the other hand, we have a Tronsmart Mega Pro 60 watt, which come with a maximum power of 60 watt, tweeters and subwoofers all included, along with the passive radiators too. Give you a stereo 2.1 output. That's not bad at all. Supports true wireless stereo, so you can connect two Bluetooth speakers together. Have an option of power bank, so you can charge up your mobile phone devices on the go. Now in terms of water rating, Mega Pro come with the IPX5, which is pretty much okay, to be honest with you, for out and about. Whereas Charge 5 come with IP67, which is fantastic. A foolproof protection from dust and water. On Tronsmart Mega Pro, you get a support of auxiliary port, so you can play music from non-Bluetooth supporting devices, and a micro SD card slot to play music from it as well if you do not have a smartphone device with you, which is a pretty handy and good option, to be honest with you. Now I have done a full detailed video review on both of these Bluetooth speakers. Link for them are available in the video description. So if any of them you like the most, you can check out my full detailed video review. Let me also assure you one thing in here. Now both of these Bluetooth speakers have a fantastic build quality. And from the sound side, you will be confident as well that how they're going to perform in my performance test too. So let's not waste too much of time and straight away jump into the performance test, where I'll be playing some royalty free music, which will be consist over the range of frequencies. And within this test, I will be also playing the different range of volumes to give you a better idea that how's the bass response. Well, here we are in the end of this video. Now you can tell me yourself in the comment section down below that which speaker has performed better. Obviously, after looking into it all, Tronsmart Mega Pro, which I've been using from last 3 months, my vote is towards it, to be honest with you, because it's more speaker for the price you are paying actually. You got auxiliary ports, you got a micro SD card support, equalizer settings. You might have noticed that while playing music, I was playing with the equalizer as well. So I can set the equalizer which suits the sound. That's not bad at all, to be honest with you, having that much of control over your system. Got all other extra features as well, which you won't see in Charge 5. But for the Charge 5, I got one thing to say. It is a fantastic Bluetooth speaker. If you have a budget to buy something like that, go for it. But if you have a limited budget, Tronsmart Mega Pro is a one for you. And also you need to remember one factor in here, that Tronsmart Mega Pros, you can buy 3 of the price of one JBL Charge 5. 3 of them, guys. So you can give one to your parents and 2 keep it yourself. Play in a true wireless stereo sound quality. Voila. What else you want, guys? Now in terms of sound output on Charge 5, you does not have any support for the equalizer. Come with the JBL signature sound, worked always better out of the box. No need to tweaking around whatsoever. Whereas on Tronsmart Mega Pro, you got a button to select from the equalizer setting that what kind of play you would like to go. Is it like indoor, outdoors, live mode, bass up mode? You can have them all in here. Simple, straightforward is that. Now, if you just want something which works for you, Charge 5 is for you. If you want much more for your money, Tronsmart Mega Pro. I have seen people complaining about it that it's got a muffed up bass, guys. Honestly speaking, guys, I don't notice anything at all. Yes, if you play in a very 2x2 room, you're going to see the muffed up bass. Play it outdoors, you're not going to feel anything at all. It will be solid all around your body. Now that will be all, guys. Thank you again for watching this video. Now you can let me know in the comment section down below what other Bluetooth speaker you would like to compare this JBL Charge 5 with, or Tronsmart Mega Pro 60 watt. Now that will be all, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Shall see you soon into another one. Bye for now.